Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. Java Programming Language. Why Java? Java is a computer language that is frequently used. Most backend development projects utilize it as the server-side language. It also allows programmers to construct computer instructions using English-based commands rather than numeric codes. Java is an object-oriented programming language used to create applications for a variety of platforms. When a programmer creates a Java application, the compiled code runs on most operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Java is classified as a high-level language because it is easy for humans to read and write. Java was created to be simple to use, making it easier to write, build, debug, and learn than other programming languages. Java is an object-oriented language. This enables you to design modular systems and reusable code. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.